Hi there, I'm Tatiana. Today we're going on a magical adventure to explore our 5 senses. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first sense is sight. We use our eyes to see the beauty of the world. Look at these flowers and butterflies. What colors do you see? Tell me out loud. Next is hearing. We use our ears to listen. Can you hear the birds singing and the water flowing? What sound does a bird make? Now let's explore taste. We use our tongue to taste yummy things. Here we have apples, oranges, and bananas. Can you guess which one is sweet?
Yummy!
What is your favorite fruit? How does it taste? Our fourth sense is smell. We use our nose to smell. These flowers smell beautiful, and I can smell cookies baking too. What are your favorite smells? Our last sense to explore is touch. We use our hands and skin to feel. This dog is so soft and the water is very cool. What things do you like to touch? Is it soft, cool, or squishy? Wow! We've explored all 5 senses: sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. Thanks for joining me on this sensational adventure. Remember, every day is a chance to explore the world with our senses and have fun learning. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, tap the bell button so you never miss a new fun and learn adventure.